after unboxing Grim, we're doing another one. This one is the new for 2023 Eternal Rest. Now, I did not plan on getting this tombstone. But when I saw it, when I ran in, I didn't see no Blackheart nor Grave Watcher, so I decided after grabbing Grim, I saw one box left, and I said I want to grab it because it is a tombstone. It'll fit with Tombstone Terror being another tombstone prop. So yeah, after this video, I'm more than happy that I grabbed her, now thinking about how she will fit. So let's get into her unboxing. That's still a very quick motion. So yeah, that is a very quick motion. And to have her sitting out here and then start weeping, people may think that it's like a sound effect or something, and then boom, she scares you. So I'm just chucking away all the trash. So yeah, this was Eternal Rest. She is awesome, and I cannot wait to see her in my 2023 collection video and haunt. This is Sarah on Tamarack. Happy haunting.